The breaking news that's coming in about B.S. Yediyurappa, there's some relief for the veteran Karnataka BJP leader in the POCSO case against him. The Karnataka High Court has ordered a hold on the arrest proceedings. The High Court has asked B.S. Yediyurappa to appear before the police on the 17th of June. Remember earlier today, there were reports of him being untraceable, and the POCSO case proceedings have led to an arrest warrant against him after he failed to appear before the CID in this probe. But now the High Court holding the arrest proceedings against B.S. Yediyurappa, and he's now been asked to appear before the police on the 17th of June. So that's the latest that's coming in regarding veteran BJP leader B.S. Yediyurappa. Even as reports of him being untraceable continue, there's some relief for him. His arrest proceedings have been put on hold by the Karnataka High Court. Let me go across to my colleague Neha for more on this. Neha, big relief for B.S. Yediyurappa in the POCSO case. The arrest proceedings against him being stayed by the Karnataka High Court, but there were reports of him being untraceable as well. What is the latest that you're picking up? Where is he, and is he going to appear before the police now, as the High Court has directed him to, on the 17th of June?
Well, yes, Shreya, of course, this comes as a big temporary relief over here for the BJP veteran who's, of course, today hearing, whose hearing, of course, went on today as far as that anticipatory bail application is concerned and the quashing of the case is concerned. The Karnataka High Court today very clearly giving directions to the CID that no arrests or detention proceedings should, in fact, go ahead, and that the veteran leader, in fact, should not be arrested or detained. However, also, in fact, directing the petitioner's advocate here, or BSY's advocate, that in fact he must appear before the investigating agencies on the 17th. That's when he had said he would appear. This is, of course, big relief coming in here for him, because early this morning we heard that officials of the CID had reached Delhi now. In fact, they were set to question him as well. They were set to, of course, make those arrests. But however, now that the Karnataka High Court, of course, has given this judgment here, an imperative point that the High Court, of course, raised here was why the arrest warrant was being sought by the CID. Why is it that they rushed to court? A former Chief Minister, a man of his stature, wasn't really a Tom, Dick or a Harry who would, in fact, run away, and which is why they've also, of course, gone on to question the intent of the CID that was seeking the arrest warrant here. Also, lastly, what the court, of course, said was that the CID, in fact, in this case, should ensure that there's no misuse, of course. And given the fact that in this case right now an arrest warrant was issued, we'll really have to wait and see what happens on Monday, the 17th. That's when BSY is set to be appearing before the CID.